Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Let's discuss some questions from the lesson fractions and decimals. Solve 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. We are going to subtract these unlike fractions. So, for subtraction of two unlike fractions, we have to change them into the like fractions. So, let's find the LCM of 11 and 15. LCM, least common multiple of 11 and 15 is 165. Let us change the denominators of these fractions 9 by 11, 4 by 15. Let us change the denominators into 165. We are going to change the fractions into an equivalent fraction having 165 as the denominator. What is this 165? LCM of 11 and 15. So 9 by 11 into 15 by 15. Then we will get denominator 165. So whatever we are multiplying with denominator, we will multiply with numerator also. So 9 into 15 by 11 into 15. 135 by 165. Now I am taking 4 by 15. 4 by 15 I am multiplying with 11. Then only I will get 165 as the denominator. So that also I did. Now 135 by 165 minus 44 by 165. I am going to subtract 135 minus 44 by 165. That is 91 by 165. Let's move on to another question. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. For addition of two unlike fractions, we know we have to change them into like fractions. What is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2? These denominators, it is 10. Now let us change the given fractions into an equivalent fraction having 10 as the denominator. So for that, with 7 by 10 we are multiplying 1 because it is already 10 there. We are multiplying with 1 only. So that's why 7 by 10 into 1 by 1 is 7 by 10 only. Now we are taking this second fraction 2 by 5. With 2 by 5 we are multiplying 2. Then only we will get 10 as the denominator. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 2. That is 2 into 2 4. 5 into 2 10. Then I am taking next fraction 3 by 2. With 3 by 2, which number we should multiply? Then we will get 10 as the answer. Yes, it is 5. So 3 into 5 15. 2 into 5 10. 15 by 10. Now we are going to add the like fractions. 7 plus 4 plus 15 is 26. 26 by 10. If we simplify, we will get 13 by 5 as the answer. Okay, next question. 8 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 5 by 8. They are mixed fractions. So for subtracting mixed fractions, we need to convert them into improper fraction first. Let us convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. First of all, I take 8 and 1 by 2. 8 and 1 by 2. How can we change it into improper fraction? Multiply 8 into 2 first. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 2. From where this 2 comes? This 2. Now, 3 and 5 by 8. First of all, multiply 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. Then this 8. 29 by 8. Now for subtraction of two unlike fractions, we have to change them into like fractions as usual. So I am going to find the LCM of 2 and 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Now we are changing the fractions into an equivalent fraction having 8 as the denominator. That is 17 by 2 into 4 by 4. It's equal to 68 by 8. And 29 by 8 into 1 by 1. Why we take 1 here? Because it is already 8 there. So 29 into 1, 29, 8 into 1, 8. Now subtract 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8. The answer is 39 by 8. Arrange the following in descending order. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. We have to arrange them into descending order. What is descending order? Descending order means arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. Big to small. And what is ascending order? Yes, small to big. Okay, now here we are going to arrange these fractions in descending order. Let's see. We are going to find the LCM first. 9, 3, 21. What is the LCM of 9, 3 and 21? It is 63. Now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 63 as the denominator. 2 by 9 into 7 by 7. That is 14 by 63. 2 by 3 into 21 by 21. Then 42 by 63. Then the last fraction 8 by 21. 8 by 21 into 3 by 3. Then also we got 63 as the denominator. 24 by 63. Now we got like fractions. Clearly 42 by 63 is greater than 24 by 63 greater than 14 by 63. We got the numbers. We got our fractions in descending order now. 42 by 63 means that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 greater than 24 by 63 means 8 by 21. Greater than, then this 14 by 63 means 2 by 9. Hence the given fractions in descending order are 2 by 3, 8 by 21, 2 by 9. Now we will move on to our next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. We know from the question it is given that length is equal to 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter. It is a mixed fraction. So I am going to make it into an improper fraction. 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2 centimeter. Now what is the breadth? That is width. 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter. That also we are going to change it into improper fraction. 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 by 3 centimeter. We know the formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle. We already studied it in our last year. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. We are giving the values of length and breadth here. 25 by 2 and 32 by 3. 2 into 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3. That is equal to 2 into, in the bracket, 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2 by 6. We take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we got 2 into 75 plus 64 by 6. That is 2 into 139 by 6. Then 2 and 6 got cancelled. Then 139 by 3 centimeter. Here we simplify this. 2 and 6. Here 2 becomes 1 and 6 becomes 3. 139 by 3 centimeter. Hope you clear with this. Fifth question. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE. This triangle ABE. Rectangle BCDE. BCDE. We have to find the perimeters of first this triangle, then this rectangle. And we have to find which perimeter is greater. Okay, let's find the perimeter of this triangle first. How can we find the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Then perimeter of this triangle is 5 by 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4 plus 3 and 3 by 5. Here we are going to change this mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 and 3 by 4 means 11 by 4. Here we wrote 11 by 4. 3 and 3 by 5 is 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5. Now we are going to add it. For adding this unlike fractions, we need to change it into like fractions. So we are finding the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. Can you complete it? Let's see here. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. So we are changing the fractions into an equivalent fraction having 20 as the denominator. So with 5 by 2 we are multiplying 10. Then only we will get 20 as the denominator. So 5 into 10 is 50. 50 by 20 plus with 11 by 4 we are multiplying 5. Then only we will get 20 as the denominator here. So 11 into 5 is 55 by 20. 11 into 5 is 55. 4 into 5 is 20. So we got 55 by 20 here. Plus 18 by 5. This also we need denominator as 20. So here we are multiplying with 4. 18 into 4 by 5 into 4. That is 72 by 20. Now the denominators are same. We are adding 50 plus 55 plus 72. 177. 177 by 20. Now the next task is we need to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle, we know the formula 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE is equal to 2 into inside the bracket BE, length BE or CD. Here we take BE, we can write CD also. 2 into BE plus ED, breadth. It's equal to 2 into 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. How this 11 by 4 and 7 by 6 come? See here, length value is given in the question. 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 means 11 by 4. And how this 7 by 6 come? ED 7 by 6 is given in the question. Now let's solve it. First of all, we are going to add 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. For adding it, we need the LCM of 4 and 6. We are taking the LCM of 4 and 6, that is 12. Can you complete it? Let's see. So we got the LCM of 4 and 6, 12. Now we are going to change the denominators into 12. So first 11 by 4. 11 by 4 into 3 by 3. That is 33 by 12 plus 7 by 6 into 2 by 2. That is 14 by 12. Now 33 by 12 plus 14 by 12 is 47 by 12. 2 is there. 2 into 47 by 12. This 2 into L plus B. So we are going to simplify this. 2 into 47 by 12. Cancelling 2 and 12. We will get 47 by 6. So earlier we got the perimeter of the triangle as what? 177 by 20. Now we got the perimeter of the rectangle as 47 by 6. Which perimeter is greater? Whose perimeter is greater? Let's see. Finally we have find which one is having greater perimeter. See how we find. Perimeter of triangle is 177 by 20. Perimeter of rectangle is 47 by 6. The two perimeters are in the form of unlike fraction. Changing perimeters into like fractions, we have 20 and 6. We need to find the LCM. That is 60. So 177 by 20 into 3 by 3. 531 by 60. 43 by 6. We are multiplying with 10. Then we will get 430 by 60. Now tell me which is having greater perimeter. Yes, triangle. Perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Next question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, I will read the question once again. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. He wants to put a picture in a photo frame. For example, the picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide. But to fit the picture in that frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So we have to trim the picture, then only we can fit it in that frame. So from the question it is given, picture is having a width of 7 and 3 by 5. That is 7 into 5, 35, 35 plus 3, 38, 38 by 5 centimeter. Now frame having a width of 7 and 3 by 10. That is 7 into 10, 70, 70 plus 3, 73, 73 by 10 centimeter. So the picture should be trimmed by 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Now we are going to find the LCM of 5 and 10. That is 10, we already know. Now let us change the fraction into an equivalent fraction having 10 as the denominator. So 38 by 5 we are multiplying with 2. 73 by 10 we are multiplying with 1 since it is 10 only already. Then 38 into 2 is 76. 5 into 2 is 10. 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. So 76 minus 73 is 3. 3 by 10 centimeter is the answer. Hope you are clear with this. Next question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Part of the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. From one apple, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. So part of the apple eaten by Somu is 1 minus part of apple eaten by Ritu. That is 1 minus 3 by 5. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Here it is 1. So what will be the denominator? 1 by 1. That's why we take 1 and 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now we are going to change the denominators into that LCM number, that is 5. So 1 by 1 into 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 1. That is 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. That is 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 5. Now part of apple eaten by Somu is 2 by 5. We got here. Which is greater? 3 by 5 or 2 by 5? Yes, absolutely. 3 by 5 is greater. Hence, Ritu ate larger size of apple. What is the difference between the share? What is the difference? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is 1 by 5. Thus, Ritu's share is larger than share of Somu by 1 by 5. Hope you are clear with this, children. Thank you all of you.